Ever wondered if that DocuSign document you just received is actually the real deal and hasn't been tampered with? Let's dive into a quick guide on how to verify the authenticity of your DocuSign documents in just a few simple steps. First, open the completed DocuSign document. Look for the Certificate of Completion page, usually found at the end of the document. This page is your first line of defense. On the Certificate of Completion, carefully examine the envelope ID. This is a unique identifier for your document within the DocuSign system. Make sure it looks like a string of alphanumeric characters. Next, verify the timestamps. Each action taken on the document, such as sending, viewing, and signing, is recorded with a specific date and time. Look for any inconsistencies that might raise a red flag. Now, scroll down to the security section of the certificate. DocuSign uses digital certificates to ensure the document's integrity. You should see information about the certificate's validity and issuer. A valid certificate confirms that DocuSign has authenticated the document. Finally, click on any digital signatures within the document. A pop-up window should appear, providing details about the signer's identity and the signature's validity. Ensure the signer's name and email address match your expectations. If everything checks out, congratulations! You've successfully verified your DocuSign document. By following these steps, you can confidently determine if your DocuSign document is original and secure. For more in-depth information, check out the official DocuSign support resources linked in the description below.